stars flickered softly through every sleepless night. Numbers moved like distant stars in pale electric light. He still asked about our lives, as if things were the same. Wanted little pieces still of the world beyond that place. Sometimes he smiled quietly at small familiar things, as if for just a moment life returned to him again. But slowly he grew weaker, and breathing turned to strain, while wire screens and medicine tried to pull him back again. Between the worlds, we stayed beside him, where hope would rise and fade, and every day he seemed to drift a little more away. Between the worlds he slowly changed, his anger growing light, as if the weight he carried once was loosening with time. He told us that he loved us, words he rarely said, and hearing them so openly stayed echoing in my head. Some nights he spoke of dying, of seeing her once more, the woman he had loved so long and carried through the years. Yet even there he still tried to comfort us somehow, as if a fragile kind of normal still mattered to him now. And when he raised his weakened hand as we prepared to leave, I held on to that little wave like something to believe. Once I asked what filled his thoughts through those long silent nights. He spoke about a simple wish, something cold and sweet to drink. And somehow in that moment, beside the screens and wires, he seemed less like someone dying and more like someone tired, until the final morning came, when words had disappeared. His eyes looked somewhere far beyond the edges of the room. We spoke to him in quiet voices, though no reply would come, and every little change we saw felt full of meaning somehow. And when I thanked him softly for all he'd done through life, something moved across his face, so small yet still alive. stay, even beside death's side.